In this video, I will explain how to solve a system of linear equations in three variables. Linear equations in three variables contain three variables, each variable raised to the power of 1. And I'm going to give you an example for this. Like 3x minus 2y plus z equal 5. So this is a linear equation and it has three variables x, y, z. So this is how we're going to solve the system using all these. To solve the system of linear equation of three variables, we use elimination or substitution method to solve a system of three equations in three variables. First, we will try elimination examples. To use the elimination method, we eliminate a variable and obtain a system of two equations in two variables, and then we go from there. And I will write down step for, like I use only two steps to solve the system of linear equation three variables. The first step is choose a pair of equations, and eliminate a variable. Eliminate one or two variables. Second step, choose any other pair of equations and eliminate the same variable in step 1. Okay, like in this step, when we eliminate one or two variables, then in the second step, you take another pair of equations and eliminate the same variable. If you cannot do two variables, like if we did two variables in the first step, then and you can do the two variables in the second step, don't worry, just do the one you can. So, but it has to be the same variable. So when I give you examples, it will make more sense. Here is the example number 1. Okay, I have a system and I have three equations. 4x plus y minus z equal 8. This is my first equation. Then I have x minus y plus 2z equal 3. 3x minus y plus z equals 6. And this is my first equation, that's my second, and that's my third equation. Okay, now the first step says choose a pair of equations and eliminate one or two variables. So these are my three equations. So let's compare the first and the 1 and 2 equations. 4x, I can't eliminate x and x. I can eliminate y. I can eliminate z. What about 1 and 3? Do you see the 1 and 3? I can eliminate y, and I can eliminate z and z, positive, negative, so I can cancel them out and I will be just left with x. So that would make life much easier if we can get rid of two variables. So let's do, we're gonna have, for example, add equations 1 and 3. So add equation 1 and 3 to eliminate y and z. So let's try that first. 1 and 3 I'm taking. Okay, so let's take 1 and 3. So I have 4x plus y minus z equal 8. That's my first equation. and then I have the third one, 3x minus y plus z equals 6. So that's my first, that's my third. Okay, now I can cancel out these 2's, and I'm left with this 4 plus 3, 7x equal 14. 8 plus 16, 6 is going to give me 14, and I can get the x by itself. 14 divided by 7, which is going to give me x equal 2. Okay, so I got one variable already for x. I got the number for x. Okay, let's do now let's pay attention to the second step. Choose any other pair of equation, eliminate the same variable. So in the first two, 1 and 3, we eliminate y and z. So let's take two other equations, like for example equation 1 and equation 2, that I can eliminate the y. I can't eliminate z. I can't do z again, but at least one of them I can eliminate. So I'm gonna add, let's try here, add equations 1 and 2, and we're going to eliminate y. So equation 1 is 4x plus y minus z equal 8. That's 1. Second is x minus y plus 2z equal 3. That's my second. Now I eliminate these two. Then I'm left with 5x plus z. 8 and 3 is 11. So I got 5x plus z equal 11. Now in this, we already know what x is, right? So let's plug in that x and we can get that z. Plus z equal 11. 10 plus z equal 11, which is going to give me z equal 1. Okay, I got another variable answer. Okay, now this is kind of easy now, because you can replace x with 2 and z with 1 in equation 1, 2, or 3. Any one of those equations, plug in x value and z value, and you will get the y value, and you will be done. So in this case, let's pick, I'm just going to pick equation 2. I don't know, I'm just picking that one randomly. You can pick any. Equal 3. That's equation number 2. Okay, so plug in the x, which is 2. Y, we don't have it. Z is 1 equal 3. So this is going to give me 2 minus y plus 2 equal 3. And 2 plus 2 is 4 minus y equal 3. You subtract 4 both sides because I have to get that y. So I got negative, and don't forget the sign. Every term has a sign on the left, and you're going to keep it. Now, this is not acceptable. Like any negative number, any sign, negative sign with the variable is not acceptable with the variable that is by itself. So you can either divide or multiply by negative, and I'm going to get y equal positive 1. Okay, now we got x, we got y, we got z. Now the solution that we have is 2. I'm going to go in order. 2 is for x, y is 1, and z is 1. So this is my solution. Now we have to check the solution for all the 3 equations that we have, the original ones, and see if we are getting the true statement. For this first example, I'll show you what I mean by checking my answer, the solution, but after that I'm not going to check, because that's what that's what you're gonna do to check the answers. So my equation number 1 was 4x plus y minus z. Okay, so I'm gonna write that 4x plus y minus z equal 8, and I'm going to plug in all the 3 numbers that I have. For x we have 2, for y it was 1, For z it was 1 and it's 8. 4 times 2 is 8. They cancel out. 8 is equal 8, which means the statement is true. 8 is equal 8. Okay, let's try an equation number 2. My equation number 2 was x minus y plus 2z equal 3. This is equation number 2 and I have it right there. Plug in again all the stuff. 2, 1, 2 in z equal 3. So this is going to give me 2 minus 1 plus 2 equal 3. So that's 4 minus 1, which is 3 equal 3. Again, the statement is true. We're good. Equation 3. If for any one of the equation, if it doesn't work, then it means for the whole system, it's not going to work, okay? Because it's a system of equation. We're talking the 3 equations together. 3x minus y plus z equals 6. That was my third equation. 3 times 2 minus 1 and z is also 1 equals 6. So 6 minus 1 plus 1 equals 6. If we subtract 1, then it's gonna, oh, you can cancel. 6 equals 6. Right? So that's also true. So it means we are good. All 3 statements are true. So the solution is 2 and 1, 1. And you're going to put them in order, okay? Like x goes first, then y, and then z. Okay. Let's do another example. Okay. And by the way, if we get something like this, so this is true statement, and we got all the x and y's, then we're going to say we have a solution for it. It's one solution for the equation, consistent equations. Okay, let's do another example number 2. Now example number 2, I'm going to do it with a different color. No, it's not okay. Let's do it nice and clean. So example number 2, 2x minus 4y plus 8z equal to, then I have negative x minus 3y plus z equal 11, x minus 2y plus 4z equals 0. This is 1, 2, and that's 3. Equation 1, 2, 3. Now, again, the first step says choose any pair of the equation and eliminate 1 or 2 variables. So let's check which variables we can eliminate. We know we can eliminate x and x in equation 2 and 3. Can we eliminate anywhere y? No. Can we eliminate anywhere z? No. I mean, I can see it right there, right? So the only ones I can eliminate is x and x. So let's do, you're going to have add equations 2 and 3. 2 and 3 to eliminate x. So let's write it down, these equations. I have minus x minus 3y plus z equal 11. Then I have x minus 2y plus 4z equals 0. Now you can tell they cancel out, right? So I'm left with negative 5y plus 5z equal 11. And I would call this equation number 4. Okay. Now we're going to pick another pair of equations, and then we're going to eliminate the same variable, which up here we eliminated x. I want to eliminate x again. Now we already picked 2 and 3, so let's pick 1 and 2. And if you check, x can't be eliminated unless I multiply the second equation, the whole both sides of the equation, of course, by 2. Then if I multiply this by 2, I'm going to get negative 2x, negative 6x, and plus 2z equal 22, right? So let's do that. To eliminate x, we are going to multiply both sides of the equations, both sides of equation number 2, equation 2 by 2, right? And then we add the equation 1 and 2, and then add equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we are not gonna say add equation 1 and 5. Why I said 5? Because this is 4, so the equation I'm gonna get next one is, we can say it's 5, or let's not do that either. Add equation 1 with the resulting equation, whatever we get from there. Okay, so let's go. Equation 2, this is equation 2, negative x minus 3y plus z equal 11, and I'm going to multiply this by 2. So I'm getting negative 2x minus 6y plus 2z equal 22, right? And I have this is my resulting equation, and I have equation 1, which was right there on the top, 2x minus 4y. I'm going to write that here, 2x minus 4y plus 8z equal 2, right? This was my equation number 1, and I'm adding with the resulting equation. I'm just going to write that, that's okay. Now let's add, they cancel out, and I'm left with negative 10y plus 8, 9, 10z, and this is 24. And I can call this equation number 5, 4 and 5. So do you see 4 and 5, we were working hard to get something like y and z variable equation like 4, and that's what we got, right? So now we have, what we're going to do, we are going to use equation 4 and 5, and we can also do, let me write it down, 4 and 5 first. So I got negative 5y plus 5z equal 11, and I have negative 10y plus 10z equal 24. This is equation number 5, this is equation number 4. If you pay attention closely, I can't cancel out anything. Like I can't eliminate either y or z. So in order for me to do that, we can either try to eliminate y or maybe z. Let's try y. So if I multiply 2 or negative 2, so I can get the positive 10. You know, the sign's supposed to be different, so we can eliminate them. So if it's if I do positive 2, I'm going to get negative 10 anyway, so I can't eliminate, so I have to have a negative 2. So I'm multiplying negative 2 there. So it's going to give me positive 10y minus 10z and equal negative 22, right? So I got this from this one. From this equation, I got this. Now when we add these two, they cancel, I got 0. And when I solve this, I got 2. And you know that's false, right? It's not a true statement. So if the statement is false, then the system has no solution, and the equations are inconsistent. Like I told you in the inconsistent system is inconsistent, you can say. Okay, so in the beginning when we did this, I told you to check everything, and we did. And since we are getting like really a solution and the system is consistent, so in this case we can say system is consistent, and there is a solution, right, which was 2, 1, 1. In this case, since I'm getting something like that, then there is no way I can proceed. I can't get any of those. So the system is inconsistent and there is no solution for it. Okay, so let's do another example. In this example, I have example number 3, I think. I have 2x plus 2y plus z equal 1. That's my first equation. I have minus x plus y plus 2z equal 3. That's my second equation. Then I have x plus 2y plus 4z equals 0, and that's my third equation. And I'm looking for this to solve. Now, again, choose a pair of equation and eliminate one variable or two. So if I pick 1 and 2, I can't eliminate anything in here. If I pick 2 and 3, yes, I can eliminate x at least, and the rest of them I can't. So at least we can do 1. So I'm going to add equations 2 and 3. So my equation 2 is negative x plus y plus 2z equal 3. The other one is x plus 2y plus 4z equals 0. This is my equation number 2 and this is my equation number 3. I know they cancel out. So I'm left with 3y, 6z equal 3. Now we know that we just eliminated x, right? And this is my equation number 4. Now I have to pick another pair of equation, and then I have to eliminate the same variable like we eliminated x, and I have to eliminate x. So we can have equation number 4 in the resulting equation that we are getting. We can say equation number 5. We can add them together and see if we can eliminate y or z. Okay, so let's try. This is, let's pick another one. 2 and 3 we already picked. So what about 1 and 3? This is 1 and 3. I can pick equation 2 and 1. 2 and 1 is going to be easy if I pick 2 and 1, because I can multiply equation number 2 by 2 and I can get negative 2x and I can eliminate the x. So there you go. We can do that. So now multiply equation 2 by 2. So let's try negative x plus y plus 2z equal 3, and I'm multiplying this by 2. So I got negative 2x plus 2y multiply with y plus 4z. I mean, this is y, okay? And I have 2 times 3 is 6. So I got that. And equation number 1 was 2x plus 2y plus z equal 1. Okay, I can cancel this out, and I got 4y plus 5z equals 7. And this is my equation number 5. So I got equation number 5. Now what do we do? I got this and this. So what can we eliminate in 4 and 5? 3y, 4y, 6z, 5z, 7. Actually, if we multiply equation number 4, equation number 4 by probably 4, and equation number 5 by negative 3, and we can eliminate something, right? We can eliminate y. Because you know 3y and 4y, there is no way that I can multiply equation number 4. Like if I'm all I'm trying to eliminate, like just pick any variable that you want to eliminate. I want to eliminate y. If you want to eliminate z, then try to get some numbers, multiply equation 4 and 5 to get the different signs of the same term. Like I can multiply this by negative by positive 2 times 6 is 12, but I don't have anything else that I can make this 12, you know. But the y and y, I can do it easily if you pay attention here. If I multiply this by 4 and multiply number 5 by negative 3, I'm gonna get 12, positive 12 and negative 12. So let's try all of that. So I'm multiply equation 4 by 4 and equation 5 by negative 3. Okay, and let's try doing this. So equation 4 is right there, 3y plus 6z equal 3, and I'm multiplying this by 4. 4 times 3 is 12y, 24z, and 12. I'm multiplying equation number 5, which is 4y plus 5z equals 7. Multiply this by negative 3. So negative 12y, negative 15z, and negative 21. Do you see that? So 12y negative and 12y positive, we can eliminate both of them. So once we eliminate, I'm going to write down this equation up here, okay? That 12y plus 24z equal 12. If I add them, they cancel out. I'm left with 24 subtract 15 is going to give me 9z. And when I do this, it's going to give me negative 9. So z is equal negative 9 divided by 9 equal negative 1. So z is equal negative 1. We got z. Okay, thank God. This is good. Now we can do, let's see, which equation should I use, 4 or 5, to plug in negative 1 for z? We will get y. Once we get y and z, then it's easy to get x because we can plug it in any equation. So this negative 1z, I can plug it in 4 probably. So let's plug in that negative 1 in equation number 4. So 3y plus 6z equal 3. This is equation number 4, and I'm plugging in that. 6 negative 1 equal 3. This is going to give me 3y negative 6 equal 3. Add 6 both sides. It's going to give me 3y, and I'm adding 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9. You can divide both sides by 3, and I get 3. So I got y equal 3, I got z equal negative 1. Now all I have to do is plug in z and y in any one of those equations, and we will get x. So the equation that I'm gonna pick, let's pick one of those. I'm gonna pick 3 because that's the one I can see it. 2y plus 4z equals 0, and this is my equation number 3. I'm plugging in 3 for y and negative 1 for z. So x plus 6 minus 4 equals 0. 6 subtract 4 is going to give me 2 equals 0, and this is going to give me negative 2. Because you subtract 2 both sides, right, to get the x by itself. So my solution is negative 2, 3, and negative 1. So that's my solution set. Okay. And let's see. Let's do just one more example, and that example is going to be really quick. Okay. I'm using this color. Example number 4. I think it's 4. Yeah. Example number 4. So I have equations negative 6x plus 12y plus 3z equal negative 6. Equation number 1. 2x minus 4y minus z equal 2. Equation number 2. negative x plus 2y plus 0.5 z equal negative 1, equation number 3. Now, let's check what we can do. We can multiply. Do you see the 6x, 2x, and x? 12, 4, 2, 3, 1, 0.5. I can eliminate x using 2 and 3 equations, right? If I multiply, okay, guys, this is not really important that which variable you want to eliminate. For me, I always just try to get x if it's easy. You know, if I multiply this equation by 2, then I'm going to get negative 2x, and x is going to eliminate anyway, right? So that was kind of easy for me. Or you can do up here, to eliminate 1 and 2, you can multiply this equation number 2 by 3. So it's going to give me 3 times 2 is 6x, and you can do the rest of them, all of them like that. So that's kind of easy, so that's why I picked 3. Multiply equation 3 by 6, or equation 3 by 2. And let's try this first, and then we can go from there. Okay. Multiply equation 3, negative x plus 2y plus 0.5z equal negative 1, that's 3. Multiply everything by 2. So I got negative 2x plus 4y, and I got plus 0.5 times 2 is going to give me 1. So this is I got 1z and negative 2. In my equation number 2, which was right there on the top, 2x, I'm going to write it down here, 4y minus z equal 2. Okay, this is cancelled. Oh, this is cancelled too. That is cancelled too. That is cancelled too. So I got 0 equals 0. You see that? If I got 0 equals 0, then it means all 3 equations are identical, right? All 3 of them are identical. In you can also multiply 2 up here, and everything is going to change anyway. You can multiply this by 6. You can pick any other ones and do the same thing. So it means there are infinite solutions and the equations are dependent. Right? There are infinite solutions and it's dependent. If you want me, I can do and pick probably equation number 2 and equation, let's see, equation 1 and 2 I can pick, and I can multiply by 3, and you know I'm going to get the same thing. If I multiply this by 3, I'm getting 6, and 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 1 is 3. So again, they cancel out. I'm getting 0 equals 0. So it means all these equations are going to get infinite solutions. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know, or give me some specific question that you needed help with the homework or the classwork, and I will make a video for you guys and do it. So please, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.